The Gold Rush by Avery, Chandler, Maddie, and Erica. In Northern California, a mill was built on a man's property. That man happened to be John Sutter. While some men were building the mill, they saw something shiny in the water that caught their eye. Then the men picked up the piece and later that day brought it back to Mr. Sutter. Mr. Sutter performed many tests on the piece, such as boiling it, hammering it, and testing it with chemicals. After the number of tests were performed, the piece was said to be gold. While the gold was supposed to be kept a secret, things didn't really play out that way. In 1849, about 250,000 people rushed to California to strike it rich. As the rapidly rising population grew, tensions hit an all-time high. While people were fighting to get gold, others were striking it rich in other ways. Many people set up general stores around the gold cleaning places and sold overpriced panning materials. People got desperate, so they stole gold, food, supplies from other people at the camps. Fights were very common when no sleep, alcohol, and high tensions were mixed together. As gold was becoming harder and harder to find, they resorted to other ways to find it. They used a long tom, which was a long square shelf with notches in the bottom. Dirt, rock, and sediment were shoveled into the top of the machine, and water was poured over. Since gold is heavier than the combination, it would get stuck in the notches. In result, there were more portions of gold found. As the gold found was decreasing, people went on their ways. Some people went back to their home, and some stayed in California.